I hope she will love me more.
She'll love the car more, man. For sure.
We will surprise her. She didn't know that we bought this. We packed it into the garage since yesterday. We bought it. Since I brought it home yesterday, she's not aware this is here. I just brought it out, so I'm going to surprise her in a few minutes with this. Baby Mo, what are you doing?
Are you ready? Hurry up. You know we'll be late very soon.
Yeah. Meanwhile, I want to surprise you. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Close your eyes.
Why don't I trust you?
They have to close your eyes.
Close your eyes.
Close. She's taller than me.
Surprise.
I hope you don't see that anything.
Why don't I trust you, Nico? Why don't I trust you?
Okay. Let's go. Just wait. Close the eyes first. Close the eyes. I hope it's not tight.
No, it's not.
But I don't want you to see. Wait.
Yeah, what is it? Did anybody come here? Can't see. Did anybody come?
Come. Follow me.
Where are we going now?
You wear. Do you have any shoes here? Wear.
Wait, you have to come outside.
It's okay. I'll give you a jacket.
Hey,
I'll give you a jacket. Wait.
what's going on?
Something.
Yeah, what's going on?
This kind of another one no day.
Hey, can't you happy like this?
Another one no day.
Oh, you have to remain in Nigeria. What's going
Another
on?
one. No. You just came back from Nigeria. Want to go again? Another one. No. Okay, you back now.
Nigeria had a good weekend.
Another one no day.
Can't see you. Yeah, why are we going outside? I'm not.
I want to go. I want you to go and clean snow for us. Wait.
With my eyes closed.
I will show now. You have been snowing heavily since morning.
No, maybe I need to chocolate late. So
Wait. I want to get you something to wear. Okay, just quickly put your leg on this, so it will be easy for you. Another one, no day. Give me your hand. Your left hand. Okay, your left hand. Let's go. Oh, keep going. Yes, keep going. Leg up. Leg up. Yes.
I like this feeling of this.
Leg down. Yes, let's go. One step, 2, 3, 4. Leg down. Yes. Let's walk. 1. Ow. Wait. Just look. Look. Leg up, leg down. Ta-da! You bought me a car, my love.
Jesus.
Do you like it?
Baby.
Yeah.
Is this
Yeah. This is your key.
Jesus.
Yeah. You deserve more than this, my love.
Jesus. Guys. My dream. Jesus Christ. Oh my God, baby. Thank you so much. Oh my God. Guys. Come outside first. Guys. Oh my goodness. Brand new.
Want to feel my joy?
It's not a new car. Oh my God, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Mama, thank you. Mommy.
God.
I need to see my
you want to enter. You don't want to
Okay, so no,
come
done.
out, come out, the
I'm
other side.
still
Let
in
me get
shock,
you.
Oh,
guys.
come
Like,
on.
seriously, I still don't believe this. Like, a brand new Acura MDX 2025 A spec. Like, seriously, guys. Like, I never expected this. I'm still like, I don't even know what to say. I don't know. Like, may God bless my dog husband for me. Like, seriously, like this is like the best gift I've ever received. Like, I don't even know. My car is so beautiful, guys. Don't worry, I'm going to give you guys a proper tour for you to see my car. Like, ah, oh my goodness, I don't even know what to say. Like, Valentine's Day should be every day. Like, every day should be Valentine's Day, guys. I'm so excited. Thank you so much for watching, guys.